Welcome back to the Farm Cook Kitchen. Today we have a treat. We're grinding coffee. We're going to test to see, is this the best inexpensive coffee grinder that you can buy on Amazon? Let's start out. So we've got 20 grams of coffee in 3 different containers, and we're going to try 3 different grinds on this grinder that I picked up at Amazon for less than $60. Let's give it a shot. So let's start off the first sample. We're going to set the grind to a super fine espresso / Turkish or maybe Armenian coffee. Let's see how this works out. So that was 20 grams of coffee. Didn't take very long. And it had to work pretty hard because it was getting a super fine grind. Let's pour it out, see what it looks like. Again, this is powdery stuff. Great for espresso. Nice, fine grind. Sample number 2. Let's set this to something a little chunkier, the lowest setting for pour over, so a bit of a medium grind. And there was a little bit of fines left from the previous grind, but you can see this is a fairly typical medium grind for the coffee. Not super fine, not super coarse. Perfect for pour over or drip style coffee. So, and last, we're going to try setting it to the coarsest setting to see what that looks like. Again, this is all the same volume of coffee beans, same amount or weight of coffee beans. We're just changing the settings, and let's make this the coarsest. So if you're somebody that enjoys cold brew, this would be the setting to try. It did not take very long at all. There you have the coarse setting, the coarsest setting for this coffee grinder. It is a what the heck is this? This is the Sowtech or Sowtech. So these are the results. We have the super fine grind for something like espresso, a medium grind for pour over, and a very coarse grind for cold brew. And I gotta say, this is a surprise. I spent less than $60 for this grinder, the Sowtech BCG011. It's quite a deal at Amazon, and it's approximately a third of the cost of the grinders that I was looking at. Actually, probably a little less than that. So, and the reason I purchased this is because when I was looking at the reviews for those other grinders that were very favorably reviewed in the press, when you look at actual user experience with those grinders, many of them had issues that customers were complaining about, like getting the grinder clogged with the coffee and having it fail on them repeatedly. So if you're looking for a inexpensive coffee grinder from Amazon, you might want to try this.